Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to replace the battery for if you're driving a Nissan Pathfinder 2019, I am going to show you how to replace the battery for your wireless key fob. This is very basic because all you have to do is to remove this two uh, lock here or this key fob here, and then change it with the new battery. So the battery that you need for this remote control is CR2032. So this is just a short video on how to replace and remove. Okay. Alright, so if you are new to the channel, before we begin, I would like to encourage you to like the channel and subscribe. Of course, if you want to get updated, don't forget to notify and activate the bell notification for future updates. So before we begin, all you have to do is remove the manual key here, if you can see, and then just press this button going up so that you can remove the manual key. Alright, and then what you also need is you need a small flat screwdriver. Okay, and then there should be a hole here that you can separate them together. There you go, I'll show you how. Okay, so once you remove them together, just make sure to be careful when you're removing the other side of the remote control. Okay, so this is how you separate them. I wanted to make sure it's safe, so that I won't broke the remote control. So as you can see, here's your battery. So all you have to do is pop this out. Okay, there should be a hole on this side, so that that's a space you can pop out the battery to make it easier. Okay, so once you remove it, you will see the model for this one. It says hold on, it says, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it says here CR2032. Yeah, so I'm going to replace this one with this new Energizer battery that I bought here. Okay, I'm not sure if I can remove this, but yeah, I need to use my screwdriver. Alright. Okay, this is the brand new one. It's the same size, just to make sure. Alright, it is a 3 volts. So the original battery is 3 volts, and this one is also 3 volts. So as you can see on the tag here, it says 3 volts as well. So they're the same as well. Let's confirm it's CR2032. So I'm going to install this one. It's really easy to install. All you have to do is pop it in, just like how you did to remove this earlier. Hold on, I think I'm wrong. All I can do is to put here first and then put the battery on. Okay, so once that is done, put it back together. Make sure to put it back together properly and safe and easy. You should hear the click sound together for this two remote control. So once that is popped in, it should be good to go. Hold on, that's not yet. Okay, there you go. Alright, it's all done. So that's how you remove the battery and how you replace the battery. If you're using a 2019 Nissan Pathfinder, this is the battery that you need, CR2032. All you have to do is replace that, and you also need the small flat screwdriver. And once that is done, just put back the manual key into the hole here. That's it. Alright, so if you have any questions, guys, feel free to leave a comment on this channel or in this video. Alright, thank you and have a good day. Bye now.